Hello, everybody. This is the Crazy Asylum with product and reviews. Today, this is just a quick update. I'm going to be talking about Testup, the app that I'm using to play games and also make a little money. And I did a video about this about a while back, and so far it's working pretty good. So here's an app that other than the games or platforms that you play on to make money, this is one of the apps that I'm using. And so far, as you can see down below, that I made about $4. But I've also been playing other games that has not been posted yet. And I'm going to show you one particular game that I've been playing, and this is going to be the Monopoly game. So let me show you. Let me scroll down to the bottom here. So I've been playing a game called Monopoly. And so far, I'm going to show you the proof of this. So far, as I'm scrolling down here, this is the area that this is the game that I'm now playing, and I'm completing. I'm completing every level as I play, and every level that you play on Monopoly, you get like 50 cents. And that's I completed level 4, and I completed levels. I completed board 4 and board 7. So each level that you play, you also earn money. So I'm not going to try to say I'm not trying to say this is an overnight thing. You have to continue to keep playing the game, and as you complete levels, you also earn money. So this is how far I got. So right now I've earned about $4 for making a purchase, and I'm also trying to complete level 26. Now this is not the only game. This is not the only game that you can play. There are other games that you can if you don't feel like playing Monopoly. I'm gonna scroll back up. I'm gonna head back up to Testup. This is not the only game that you can play, but there are other games that you can play if you don't feel like playing Monopoly. There are other games that you can actually play. Let me see here. I'm going to have to go back up to the top. So I'm back up to the main menu. There are games that you can play that I'm pretty sure you recognize and stuff like that. Something that you enjoy playing, and something that you enjoy playing so you can make money off this game. So if you don't feel like playing Monopoly, there are other games that you can also play on this game. So if I scroll down, you can play Scramble, you can play a casino, GSN casino. You can play Dice Dreams. You can play any game that you can play. But pick the game that you really enjoy playing. So if you complete this game, so this is right here. Let's say if you want to complete, the ants. This game you can win. You can also play up, and if you complete every level and complete the board, complete the levels, you get $89. So I'm just gonna click on this for a minute. So if you scroll down, I'm just showing you. If you scroll down, and this game here, you have to complete levels in order to get money. So if you complete all the levels, you get $89. So I'm gonna scroll back to the top. So I'm not trying to say this is an overnight game. You have to continue to keep playing. Continue to keep playing so you can earn money. And let me get back to the top here. This game is kind of running slow. So I'm just trying to show you that this is not there are apps out there that you can make quick money, but this game is a timely game. So if you want to join, I'm going to post a link down below in the description box, and you can sign up there by using my code. So so all I can say is it is worth it, and I'm not going to try to say that you're going to make money overnight. Um, this is a timely game, and this is something that you can get paid for. Now, there are plenty of other apps like Just Play and Tap Champs. There's a lot of games out there that you can make quick money, but this right here is a timely game. So this is a app that you can enjoy while you're playing games and stuff like that. You earn money. So if you want to join, the link is down in the description box. My invite code is there, so to download the app and everything. So all right, I want you to enjoy it. All right.